Well, we'll get the nice one.
Okay, hold that one there.
Yep. I think so, yeah.
You gonna take both of them?
Yeah.
All right.
A couple of exclusives that we did, if you wanted to give them away.
Oh! Oh! Froggy flips.
So I decided I wanted to start a new video series on this channel. Not to replace, just to kind of sprinkle in with the videos that I currently make. Now my intention is, and has been for some time, for this to be a treasure hunting channel of sorts. And in my opinion, there is more to the thrill of treasure hunting than just the crazy quick flips you find in the wild. Sometimes you're hunting for your personal collection, sometimes you're looking for that perfect gift. Sometimes you're investing in something to put away because it may increase in value in the future. Sometimes things are just so unusual or rare or nostalgic that you have to buy it and just, you'll figure out what to do with it later. Anyway, in this series, I want to feature independently owned businesses that deal primarily in these fun, nostalgic, vintage collectibles that I'm such a fan of. I'm talking vintage toy stores, record stores, comic book shops, card shops, retro video game stores, even like vintage musical instrument stores. I just want to make some fun videos that kind of shine a light on these passion-driven brick and mortars and show people these often overlooked treasure chests that are hidden right in their own communities. I want to give the viewer a first-person point of view as a customer inside these stores. And I'm going to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to commit to spending at least $100 at a minimum at each place I visit for this video series. And again, these are just supposed to be fun and nostalgic and supportive and even relationship building if I do it correctly. So welcome to episode 1 of Nostalgia Business.
Yo, video game dudes, talk to me!
Alright, so for this first episode, we're going to a place called Kokomo Toys and Collectibles in Kokomo, Indiana. There it is right there. Apparently they call this Geek Street because we have a comic shop there. There's a couple other little things down the road here. I learned about this store on an episode of A Toy Store Near You.
You will find Kokomo Toys and Collectibles, run by Todd and Amber Jordan.
We've been married 18 years, and together we have 2 kids, 2 dogs, and 2 guinea pigs.
They look pretty amazing. I've never even been to Kokomo, Indiana. I've never taken the hour-and-a-half north drive, but they said they're okay with vlogging in here, so we're gonna go check it out. Looks like there's a bunch of murals on the outside wall. Oh, look at that Ecto. Already seen some cool stuff. A bunch of G.I. Joes and stuff. Just superheroes. The old Mego figures. Those are cool. The wall of Star Trek. And those are $5 each. Actually, I owe Sarah a Data figure because we're going to try to meet him at Indiana Comic Convention this year. And she wants to get it autographed. That was her favorite character. I'll come back around and look for that. There's a graded Chewbacca. You might grab that. That seems like a pretty good price. It's a CAS 80. It's 150 bucks. That doesn't seem like a bad price at all. So that's on my maybe list. Very cool first 12 collection.
The answer to...
These are Mo 2.
That's alright. I'd like to keep it on manual control for a while. Oh yeah? Watch this.
Just ordered most of these off of eBay last night because Elliot was wanting them. And now here they are. Okay, what did I not get? I did not order these two.
Sure, we take the professor in the back and plug him in the light. Sometimes I just don't understand.
obviously.
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Good.
I watch you on YouTube.
Awesome, man. Anthony, what's your name?
Nick?
Nick. Cool, man. Nice to meet you. Something I'm personally looking for is a pull string Freddy Krueger doll in the box, with a nice box. I've not seen one yet. I'll probably have to ask about that, but I'm guessing the search will continue. Okay, let's grab her Data doll, if I can find one. So we have Lore, Data's evil twin brother. I guess that would count. But there's got to be a Data somewhere too. No. Nope. I cannot find a Data. I'm guessing Laura was also played by Brent Steiner.
You make me wish I were an only child. Then why this marvelous gift?
I'm not a Star Trek guy though, so I'm not sure. But $5, we'll get it and take a chance. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Froggy?
Yes,
Yeah.
Anthony.
Okay, awesome. Good to see you. I was wondering if you were going to stop
Yeah,
by.
man. I'm excited to be here. It's a really cool place.
Yeah. My brother and I watch your videos. We make it a thing. We hang out once a week. We watch your videos each week.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah,
awesome.
while we like eat dinner. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Very cool store,
If you
man.
need anything, yeah, let me know.
Okay, yeah. I'm going to buy some stuff in cases.
Okay.
Just trying to narrow it down right now. So tempted on this collection right here. Would that be a good investment? I'm going to try to find something for Olive too. Not much is jumping out as an Olive purchase yet though.
Don't get me wrong, I still want puppies.
We got that.
Yeah. I would pay up to 30. No, and I have your $10 in my wallet.
Can I look at stuff in some cases when you get a second?
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, awesome. How's it going, man? I wanted to grab that Chuck Norris zipper clip thing back there.
Oh, those little things.
And then also the Bill and Ted's up there. Right up here, the Bill and Ted's.
Oh, well, I got that side open. Might as well.
Right on.
Here, there you go.
Thank you. Yep, I will take that.
Take him?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Can I look at the speaker and tape too? That's cool. Yeah, why not?
You want to take it?
Yep.
All right.
First one. It's cool. I think so, yeah.
You want to take both of them?
Yeah.
All right.
And then the other stuff is in the TMNT case on the other side.
Okay.
Want to see if I can look at the Splinter Mutations.
Yeah, that one's not sealed, but it's 100% complete.
Okay.
Oh yeah, some of them are loose in there, but you
You can fix it up.
should put 100% on there.
Cool, I'll grab that too.
All right.
And then there was, let's see, there was a watch down here somewhere too.
Yeah, right here.
Is that? Yeah, probably hold off on that one. Thank you.
Right, yeah.
I wanted to grab the loose Pee Wee figure and then kind of see what else you have loose in there.
A couple Pee-wees, one's missing his jacket.
Okay.
I guess there's another one there too. Not his jacket.
Okay.
Jacket looks a little discolored, maybe.
Yeah. Well, we'll get the nice one.
Okay, hold that one there.
Yep.
Okay.
And then who else is out there?
And the mail lady.
Yep.
Yeah.
Actually, how much is she?
25.
25. All right, yeah, throw her in
You
too.
wanna take her?
Yeah. Talk me into it.
I guess I picked her up there and didn't actually say anything about it when I picked her up.
That's cool. And then the last thing is a Pee-wee up on top here, just one of the bobbleheads.
Oh, okay.
I just saw those. Is it too annoying to get 2 of the bright colored boglins there on the bottom?
Oh, okay. Here, actually, which one are you wanting?
I want one of the green ones and one of the pink ones. So I guess Dwizzork and Drizzle.
Let's see if we got it on the steps.
Okay. Thank you for your help. Hi. I have a big stack over there too.
All right. Appreciate it. How are you doing, dear?
Good. How are you?
Good. Are you the YouTube guy?
Anthony, Froggy Flips. Yeah, this is an amazing place.
Well, I hope it didn't say. A couple of exclusives that we did.
Oh, cool.
With Boss Fight, if you wanted to give them away.
Oh, sure. Yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
yeah. Who'd you do them with? What's
Boss Fight Studios.
Okay. That's really cool. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah, that'll be fun.
Is it okay if I get a picture with you when you're done here?
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Where he actually just... That's not good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pardon me. Although, ironically...
Over here?
Just so I can take my mask off.
Okay. Here, move this out of the way. we are.
Alright, ready? Good. Alright, thank you.
Cool, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.
Oh, wow.
That was an awesome place. Kokomo Toys and Collectibles. Kokomo, Indiana, right here on Geek Street. I still need to check out some of these other stores, but I got a long drive back. And now we actually have some things to give away. So see you soon. Okay, I'm back with my big box of goodies. There's the family. They all got presents. Why won't this door open?
Oh my gosh. Unlock.
Unlocked. So kids, you remember a couple weeks ago when I got those vintage boglins?
Yeah.
And you thought they were so cool?
Yeah.
And I told you that if you were good for a while that I would order you one or go find you one?
Yeah.
I found some. Got Elliot a green one.
I want one.
Just like you wanted.
Oh,
Oh, you don't look excited.
Elliot, it's a boglin.
oh yeah.
It's your very
I
own.
want a boglin.
You want a boglin too?
Sissy,
Okay,
Sissy.
okay.
Olive, look.
Okay, he's excited now.
And Olive is...
Olive, here.
Look.
It's a pink one.
I want pink.
Yeah, it's a boglin. All right, Sarah, let's see here. Gotta find your stuff. I couldn't find a Data doll, but I did find his twin brother Lore, which was also played by Brent Steiner. So I thought it might be cool to have that one signed because he only appeared in 4 episodes.
That's awesome.
So maybe it's more obscure. Cool?
Yes.
All right, what else we got?
That wouldn't make me cry.
Well, don't cry.
I'm gonna cry.
And then I got a vintage loose Pee-wee, complete with his jacket.
Oh, I love it. He's so cute.
Look at that.
Look at his little pocket scarf. So cute. And he's so realistic looking.
I got you Reba the Mail Lady.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Sorry, that was really loud. Oh my gosh!
I think she's harder to find. Look, she has her mailbag and everything, so she's complete.
Oh
I guess she's... What?
Did you hear me yell?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was excited.
And then I think I have one more thing for you, Sarah. Let's see here. Oh yeah. This isn't vintage, but it's a Pee-wee bobblehead.
Oh.
So,
Oh my gosh.
so
Why did you take a picture? It'll last longer.
yeah, that one's new. But pretty cool, huh?
I love it. And I love you.
Love you too. Okay, I gotta go show the rest of this stuff now.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Say,
Did I scare you?
Did I scare you?
perfect, there you go.
Did I scare you? Did I scare you?
All right, so we are back in the garage. Just left Kokomo Toys and Collectibles in Kokomo, Indiana. I will link their Facebook and their Instagram in the description below. If you are ever in the area, definitely check them out. It was just an overwhelming selection of vintage and even modern, and the people could not have been nicer. So I'm already planning my trip back. The only real trouble I had was narrowing down what I was going to buy, but I'm pretty happy with my selection, so real quick, let's take a look at them. First of all, is there anything more 1980s than zipper clips or Chuck Norris? And to have a mashup like this, Chuck Norris zipper clips from 1986. In the package with a nice card, Kmart sticker still intact, simple back artwork, very cool piece. Next up, we have the Food Fighters. This was a line released by Mattel, I believe in either 1988 or 1989. Even though this toy line was not very successful, I personally have pretty fond memories of it. A lot of these ended up in discount stores just because they didn't sell very well, and I've stumbled across a few loose ones recently, but these are the first actual carded ones I believe I've seen. We have Mean Wiener, and we have Brigadier General. Also, one of the cool things about this line is it really wasn't that big, so if you want to collect it, it wouldn't be all that challenging as long as you're not like hung up on variants and stuff. But the back artwork is just amazing and comes complete with your G.I. Joe style file cards. Very cool indeed.
You'll never cut the mustard, Mean Wiener!
Kenner is probably one of my favorite toy lines of all time. They were based in Cincinnati, Ohio, so just about hour and a half straight shot from here. But after the success of the amazing Star Wars contract they were able to land, they started scoring tons of really cool licenses. This being one of them, Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Unfortunately, they did not have a Ted figure mint on card, but I was able to get Bill S. Preston Esquire. But I really love this one. It's the amp along with a Wild Stallions cassette tape. Funny and clever just like the movie itself, and believe it or not, it wasn't the most bizarre figure from the line.
What? How?
Next up, we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutate and Splinter. I've said it before, I think anything vintage, complete, mint on card, boxed, sealed, anything from the vintage TMNT line that you can find like that for a good price, I think is a good investment. This stuff just keeps going up and up. This was only $30 for a open box, but complete in package Splinter figure, so I figured I'd take a shot on it.
Kawabunga.
And then we have the Remco McDonald's figures. I believe Remco released these in the mid to late 70s. They're just so bizarre, I had to grab them. I've seen the Ronald before, but I've never seen these other characters. In fact, I did not even recognize these guys, so I was kind of confused about what they even were. This one I thought for sure was McDonald's, but they all had these little knobs on the back that kind of move their heads around. So just an interesting little toy line made by Remco.
I know we're going to be friends too, because I like to do everything boys and girls like to do.
And then we got the modern stuff I picked up. We have 2 figures for Elliot from the Five Nights at Freddy's special delivery toy line. I had already ordered him a few of these for his Easter basket because that's what he was asking for. I believe these 2 complete the set. I could be wrong, but these are going to be a gift for Elliot. And then made by Super 7, we have a Rancid skeleton figure with the wolf head to match my Skeleton Glow figure, and we have the Atomic Glow green variant of the Atom Bomb figure to match my standard Atom Bomb. And lastly, it was really cool, they gave me a couple figures that they did in collaboration with Boss Fight Studios. The box says Vitruvian Hacks Series 1. It is Atellus Warrior Altered Amazon. I'm not going to open these because they are still sealed, but I will throw up a picture of what's included in the box. Really cool little figures, and super gracious of them to give away. If you would like to win one of these Kokomo Toys and Collectibles exclusive Boss Fight Studio figures, all you have to do is click on one of the links in the description, either the Instagram or the Facebook, and follow one of their pages. And then come back here, leave a comment, let me know which one you followed. 1 week from today, I will do a drawing, and I will choose 2 random winners. I will pin a comment to this video, so make sure you check back 1 week from today, and I will announce the 2 winners that will receive free of charge a Kokomo Toys and Collectibles exclusive figure. So that will do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.